My mom's convertible has not had an exhaust for as long as she's owned it. It's had a muffler, but it stopped midway through, so I got a new toy. So Ma, it's running great, and I wanted to show you, how good the exhaust sounds with it, because I finished it. Oh wait, where's the pipe? Well, it's getting a little louder. What'd you think? I put a little bit of a chrome tip on it. It's a good solid exhaust. It's hung up well. It's all welded in place, so. It sounds good, Ma. What do you think of